Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today we've got Moonshine Manny Dreaming of You and Beauty Big Bang BBB XL-100 and Maniology Luna. Here we go. I'll be using the Betty Cora tips again today. These are the medium almonds. And here is Moonshine Manny's Dreaming of You from the Dupe It project. So pretty. It's like a bluey gray and it's got some silver in it, and I just love this. Love it very much. So we're going to apply this coat and let it dry down, and then we're going to apply another coat, and I think 2 coats will be good on this one. Yeah, no, I think I might just go for a third just because. Yeah, let's do a third. I like the second one, I mean, but you know, we're just going all out today. Yeah, we're going to do a third coat. So pretty. All right, let's get up close on this one. I really like this one. It's a very pretty polish. And we're going to play on it today, so that's always fun. I'm going to top it with the Eliana's Collection Quick Dry Top Coat. Just trying to use it up since it's not available anymore that I can find anywhere. I figured I might as well just go and finish this one up. And we're just going to use it until it's gone. Very good. Very good. Alright, we'll be using Beauty Big Bang XL-100. Get that blue film off of it and give it a quick wipe down with my new cotton claw from Maniology. And then wipe it over with some alcohol. I'll be using Maniology's Luna for my stamping polish today. Got out a Maniology cube stamper and scraper. And we're just going to put some of these images across these nails. Now this isn't going to be one of those in-your-face manicures. This is more subtle. Not really my style. You guys know I like the in-your-face, the bam, the wow, the shocking, all of it. But today we're going to do something a little more toned down and enjoy it. So I really like this plate. I did have trouble. I was trying to use a different polish earlier. And as you can see, I had trouble with that image, so we're just going to skip it, cleaned off my stamper, and we're going to move on to another image. I imagine that if I had used the SheModern sticky stamping polishes, I would have been just fine, but this is not what I wanted. I wanted to use what I had sitting on my desk. So this one turned out really good. Looks wonderful on that nail. And we're just going to keep moving along. Get some more of these. This is like a galaxy swoop, you know, right here. And we're going to get the excess up with a piece of tape and put it on a nail. I will be putting these on my fingers at the end so you can see what they look like. And until my nails get healthy, this is just what I'm doing. If you don't like it, give me another month or so and maybe I'll be back to playing on my own nails. I'm just trying to treat them very nice right now. Alright, so we're going to clean up that plate with some acetone and wipe it down with some alcohol before we put it away. Get that little stampy mat clean too. There we have it, nice and clean. We're going to top these with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. I do have a discount code down in the description if you're interested. Got a little stringy on there. It's okay. It's all good. Alright. And now, there's a look at them real quick. We are going to be using the Eliana's Collection Quick Dry Top Coat today on these here pretty manis. This pretty little mani. A little discreet. But sometimes we need to go there, you know. Once these are completely dry, I'll be using these little glue tabs and applying to my fingers. And if you're really wanting to wear them, you know, you could use glue, but I'm not going there. And there is my swatch photo and another one. And that's it for me today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.